Hello! So I'm making another video today showing you how to get hold of and how to use a little bit Microsoft 365. And that's the kind of program or the group of programs you use Word and PowerPoint. Okay, so if you're a student in college, okay, you do have access to Microsoft 365 for free. All you need to do though is a couple of steps. So we're going to look at it as two ways. We're going to look at way number one, which is using Microsoft 365 programs online. Okay, so that's just using Word and PowerPoint online. And then we're going to look at, if you want to, and you have a desktop or a laptop or a computer with enough memory and the right specs, you can download Microsoft 365 straight to your computer. So then you've got all the normal stuff that you would do using a computer in college. So step number one, we're going to look at how to use Office 365 online. So straight away, as always, we're going to need to go to our student intranet. Okay, you've looked at all the videos from before. You might have a quite good idea how to do that. Let's do it together again. So we're going to go with Riverside College Student Intranet. Okay, and we're going to click the very first link. When it loads, good. So again, when we get here, we're looking for, again, our student intranet. So it's just here, click for student intranet. So we're going to click here, okay, and off we go. Okay, so we've got a few options, and we can see this one here, Office 365, the orange one, is the one we're going to go for. So if we click on this orange folder, Office 365, it's going to take us to another thing to do, okay? When it loads. Again, I'm sure your computer will be much faster than mine, so bear with me. Great, and as you can see, these are all the different Office 365 programs that we have. You also got your recommended files from before. So let's say I want to open up Word. So I'm going to click Word, okay? And here we go. So now we can use Word online. And let's say I want to make a new blank document. I'll click that one. Okay. So we've got a new blank document in a moment's time. And there we go. So we've got access to Word at home using the internet. Okay. Now, when it loads a bit faster in a minute's time, I will show you how maybe someone sent you some work and you want to open it up in Word. And that's kind of the same thing as always, except you're going to go to File. And there are all the previous documents. So let's say I want to do some path, which is perimeter area and volume. I click it and it'll open up here for me. Maybe a new tab because you've opened a new document, but it'll still be on Word online, so don't worry too much. Wait for it to load. Again, it does take a bit of time, but it does eventually work. So there you go. I've got access now to this work booklet on maths. Okay. Now, it sometimes isn't the best to use Word online and PowerPoint online. It does miss a few things now and again because obviously it's based on your internet connection. So if we delete these for now, close them down, and we go back all the way back to our student intranet. Okay, so we're in student internet. Remember, we Googled it, we opened it up on the Riverside College website, and then we open up this orange file here, so Office 365. We open up again, and you might have noticed before, of course, we can open up all these cool programs online, but there will be a button here, Install Office. Okay, so all we need to do is we click on that button. Okay, you've got two options here. You've got Office 365 apps, okay, just like on your phone, but obviously you can use it on your computer. You click that, it will download it. Now, I sadly can't show you how to do that because I've already got it downloaded. But when you do click this, I will try it for an experiment, but it's not going to work. Okay, so it'll go through a whole kind of system. Okay, and you're going to have a download here. Now, when you download them all, if I close these down and you go through the whole process, so again, it's kind of like installing a game if you do play video games. Once you go to open the program, it is going to ask you something. So if I close this down, take you to an actual Word program. So 365 program, here it is, Word. I open it up, and usually you've gone through all the things, you've downloaded it, there's no problems there. What will happen is normally there'll be an orange banner here, just below your clipboard. Okay, so just here. It's going to ask you to log in. Now, at the moment, I'm already logged in. Okay, so you see here. Now, I could here sign in with a different account. So I'm going to show you. Okay, and then when you see this screen, remember, like in all the other stuff we use, it's always going to be your student email account. Okay, so if I did put in my account again, okay, at riverside.ac.uk. Now that's my staff account, but yours is going to look different. And if I delete this, I'm going to put in my student account from years ago when I was much younger, 81 at student.ac.uk. So remember, this is your student email. Oh, sorry, there's the thing there. At student.riversidecollege.ac.uk. See, it's a bit complicated, so definitely remember at student.riversidecollege.ac.uk. And then again, the next step would be, the very next step, okay, once it loads up, would be a password, okay? And that's the same password you use for everything else, okay? Once you've got that popped in, it's going to give you an option to remember yourself. Now, I'm not going to do it because I don't want to kick myself out of my own account on this laptop. But once you've got it once, it will remember it for all the other programs. So you can download it, pop in your student email address and student password, and then that way you can use it all the time for free, okay? Now, let's just quickly recap, okay, what we've just done today on this video. So what we've done is we found our student intranet, we found this orange icon or Office 365. And there's two options. So two options are you can use the Office 365 programs online. That's just simply by clicking them here in these little icons when they pop up. So Word, PowerPoint, Excel. You can use them straight here and open stuff here as well. Or you can go for this approach if you've got a desktop and enough space and specs on your computer to install Office and then log in with your student email account. Okay. If you have any questions, you're not sure, of course, please do use Teams. And if you're not sure about Teams, watch the videos about Teams and you'll be up to speed. And again, your personal tutors are more than welcome to help you out and should be in contact with you. And if you need some other support, remember, you can always ask your support workers as well if they've been calling you too. And again, hopefully that makes sense and you can get yourself on all the different programs, Microsoft Word, and complete work much easier and faster at home. Okay. Thank you very much, and hopefully I'll see you soon.